Hi guys, I showed you I picked up this kit in a charity shop. It cost me £1.95, and when I opened it I found the fuselage stick was broken. It was actually in two pieces, so it was no use whatsoever in the box. I was hoping I could leave it in the back of the car and put it together, but I've brought it in and I shall assemble it indoors. As you can see, I've glued that back together, a bit of super glue on it, or CA glue. I don't know if this was ever used or whether somebody got annoyed with it and broke it in anger. That hole looks like it's been bent round a bit, so it may have been used. There's no dirt on it though, as if it's landed badly. I strongly suspect somebody started putting it together and either had an accident with it, fell on it, or just got annoyed with it and broke it. Anyway, that's pure supposition. What we will do is see if we can put it together. We've got these little plastic inserts. That go in the wings. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's been used or not. A bit difficult to tell. Certainly it doesn't look like they've used this centre section. I suppose what I ought to do is read the instructions. Might be an idea. Got the camera upside down again. So this is the right way up for me to read it, but it'll be upside down for you. Right, there's the building instructions. Okay, first thing that's supposed to have been in there is that piece with a bit of bent metal in it. I can't imagine what they were doing with it. And that's supposed to be in there. Before you glue the sides together. So that's going to be fun. Right, that bit is supposed to be in there. It looks like they've broken off the bit of foam that should be just in there to fill the gap. And there should be weights in there, I think. I bet they haven't put the weights in. Let's just see what we've got. Right, that bit there looks like the bit that's broken off. From there. Yeah. I reckon. So we need to put some glue in there, I think. wonder if this stuff's any good. Hot glue gun switched on. So wait for it to warm up. And then we'll put this bit in place. That's our tow hook. Okay, so that's in place. Right. Done all the next section. Yep, I've done that bit. Oh, canopy. No, we haven't got a canopy. That'll be the clear plastic bit to go over there. Just double check. Nope, nothing in there. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. That's definitely all we've got. Fin and tail plane. They're supposed to be glued in place with the PVA glue. Right, I'll put that to one side for a minute. Right, I've used this glue on a lot of my builds. It's craft glue, it's acrylic. Well, I can see it's not one of those builds I could have done in the car anyway. So. I was reading ahead, and that nail file is for sanding the leading edge and trailing edge to make an airfoil shape. Supposed to leave them to dry. You could just have a little look, see what it's going to look like when it's up together. That one doesn't want to fit. There's always one, isn't there? I'll just use one of the spare, whatever we want to call these bits. Seem to fit all right now. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. Obviously it needs to go in the other side. I didn't look at that, did I? Again, reading ahead, these are 25 degree dihedral. It says use those first to get the hang of flying it, and then replace them with these flat ones. That's quite heavy with those metal bits in there. And I need to file down the leading edge and the trailing edge. I've done some sanding, probably not enough, but that's about what it shows in the picture. So we've got a rounded leading edge and a sort of tapering trailing edge. So, I wonder if these rubber bands are any good. Try that again. There's nothing to protect the trailing edge. I might look at putting a bit of tape over there or something just to protect that, or even a bit of popsicle stick. Well, we'll just give it a try in the garden. I've put some washers in there for the weight. I've probably got it a touch nose heavy, but only just, but we should be able to throw it across the garden anyway. Centre of gravity should be about a third of the way back on the wing. Looks like we're about right. The tail is actually tilting up a bit on the left, which might make it turn on the right a bit, I suppose. We'll give it a try. I've already lost one of the rubber bands, so I've had to replace them. And it's digging in at the back here. I'm going to have to strengthen that. Well, it flew. Not so good. Hit the tripod when it landed then. Broke the tail again. And broke that. Nothing that can't be re-glued. And quite a dent just there. So we'll put it back together. And maybe try it in the open air instead of in my garden.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.